here we go, here we go. Now, as we turn on around and get ready to take our fourth and final bonus run, I'm going to make you all a promise that I know you will love. I promise this is the last time you'll ever have to hear me say whitewater safety positions. But if you guys could please just get into those positions one last time. Alright, and here we go guys. Bonus run. And we save the best for last. Great out there! Oh, look at that! Looking good, looking good! Looking so great! Doing awesome. How are y'all feeling after that fourth and final bonus round? Alright guys, well congratulations, you have all survived. You are officially whitewater warriors. So at this time, my friends, feel free to just sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride back to dock.